today I'm going to be unboxing Creativkits. So this is the June Plus kit. I've got the box that's aimed at ages 5+. So this is what it came like. So this was outside the box, which we'll look at that in a minute. And this is what the box looks like. Open it up. We can see there. So first of all we have the little booklet. So showing the kids DIY 5+ age kit. And there it is showing you what we are doing. So there's a make your own robotic hand, make your own cross stitch art, make your own bouncy balls, and make your own wax candles. Gives a bit of information in there. It's also got a little scan me QR code to read some more interesting facts. And it gives sort of all the items that are included to make the robotic hand, the instructions, and there's also a scan me QR code to follow the steps as well. And there's also, which is really good, a video on how to make the robotic hand if you get stuck. Then it's got there a bit about the cross stitch and all the items included in that. The bouncy balls. Again, there's a YouTube tutorial on how to do that if you get stuck. What to do with your crowns, how to make candles. And again, all the items included in a YouTube tutorial, and also written instructions on how to make them. And then some more videos worth watching. So on the top there we have a little card. I think that's a little, that folds down. Oh, sorry, there was two there. Down there, neat Einstein, gives you a bit of information about it. On the top we've got a little plastic bag. We have a paintbrush. It's got a little eraser inside there as well. And there is a little smiley face badge. And then when we go into here, you can see so there's the instructions for there, and so this gives you all the instructions for the robotic hand. One thing I really like that I did notice is that in the book it has the red dot and then it shows the items. So this is for the red dot activity and the red dot activity. So this then gives you all the instructions. Make them, and then for the red dot hand. What all the bits and pieces are yet, but everything's all together to change the robotic hand. We then have the DIY ball kit, so that's all sealed. So inside it's got the little balls. So just open it. There. Got little moulds. So there's a mould to make shape one, and then a mould for round one, and then there's the packets. Gives these a lot of colours. Do them. Next thing I can see, so there's two little wrap. Excuse the noise. These are the containers. Ooh. Oh, yeah. So that'll be the two glass containers for the candles. And then we've got, so you can see there's the blue little dot. And the activity. And then we've got all the items for the candles, so some crowns. There's the wicks and some more flakes in there. And then the last item, so this was the cross stitch kit. So that's all nicely sealed. Yeah. So yeah, so it's definitely like a really fun kit. So there's 4 really good activities. Yeah, I think this is really, really good. I'm going to be excited to show this to the kids and see what they think. Hopefully they'll be nice and easy little activities for them to do. But yeah, definitely one that I will get again, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay, hope you enjoy that. Thank you.